Hello, this tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you how to make a fabric tissue holder for travel size tissues. It is a quick and easy sewing craft that even a beginner can make. To make this project, you will need 2 pieces of cotton fabric, thread, pins, scissors, and a sewing machine. From the outer fabric, cut a piece that measures 6 inches by 6 inches. From the lining fabric, cut a piece that measures 6 inches by 8 inches. Place the 2 fabrics with right sides together and pin along the 6-inch side, aligning the raw edges. Sew along this side using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now do the same thing on the other 6-inch side. The fabric after sewing it will look like this. Press the seam toward the main fabric or the outside fabric. Then press the fabric flat so that you have about a 1/2 inch of the lining fabric showing on each side, or an equal amount on each side. Now we're going to sew the sides together. We'll sew one side all the way, and the other side will leave about a 2-inch opening so that we can turn the fabric right side out. Now it's time, I've sewed the sides, it's time to turn it right side out. Making sure to press or to push out the corners. You can use a pencil or any other kind of tool that you have for pressing out the corners. After you have that complete, you're going to iron it flat, making sure to press the opening, this opening, to the inside. Now what I usually do is I do put like a little crease down the middle so I know where the middle of it is. And now with the outside fabric facing up, you're going to fold in the edge to the center, but you're going to want it to overlap approximately a 1/4 of an inch, and we're going to pin it in place. Now let's the other side and just overlap it just a little. Okay, next we're going to be sewing close to the edge of the fabric. Next, we're going to sew on each end a scant 1/4 inch. If you don't know what a scant 1/4 inch is, it's just a little bit less than a 1/4 of an inch on each side. I've sewn the sides, and now it's time to turn it right side out and again poke out the corners. Ta-da! The fabric pocket tissue holder is done. Just add tissues and pop it into your handbag, backpack, or coat pocket. These fabric tissue holders are very addictive to make. Keep some on hand for last-minute gifts. For teachers, Mother's Day, stocking stuffers, hostess gifts, friends, or birthdays. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, click our website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of sewing information, tutorials, and free projects.